So it is a sample program which is going to declare a single dimensional array for storing 10 elements. Very basic program I am showing first. stdio dot h void main. You declare the array integer a of 10, and at the same time you take one variable for loop controlling, loop variable. You take one loop I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 9, means 0 to 9 means 10 elements. 9, sorry, not I plus plus. You print a message to the user that enter a element for a of percentage d cell. A of I. So this is reading part. Okay. So 0 to 9 means the loop is repeated for 10 times. So as in the body of the loop, what I am doing here? First I am printing a message that enter element for a of percentage d cell. So in the place of percentage d, just I will place I value. So what happens every time? It is I value will be incremented by 1. So that what happens here? A of 0 cell, A of 1 cell, A of 2 cell, A of 3 cell, A of 4 up to A of 9. So it is going to replace the percentage d value by I value. Now to access the members, to access the data into single dimensional array, the procedure is ampersand A of I. So in the previous class examples, along with the scanf statement, just I have given what variable name. Here as A is an array, along with array you have to specify the index number also, where you have to store the information. Okay, so that is preceded by address operator. Okay, if it is single variable, you can omit this I value, but A is not, it is a single variable, it is an array. So as it is array, that must be postfixed by the index number, I value and address operator also. Like this. And this accepting part is over. Next, when coming to printing part, so how the numbers are printed? Again, to print the numbers, take same loop for I equal to 0 to I is less than or equal to 9, I plus plus. Print all the elements. Printf A of percentage d equal to percentage d. Now use A of I. Finally use getch and save this. Save. So where I have to save? Already I have created one directory in the D drive, D:/Shiva by C programs. C programs. Within this I am going to store the array as array1.c. C programs. Just I will check whether directory is created or not once again. So come out temporarily, go to directory cd C programs folder is there. Okay, anyhow you create another directory md cprg. Okay, now it is there. Go to software, go to C language and save it as D: Shiva by C programs by array 1.c. Why it is giving invalid message? CPRG only. Okay. CPRG under this array 1.c. CPRG, under CPRG I have stored. Now we compile it, no errors are there. Okay, so it is going to ask 10 numbers from keyboard. So the number given by user will be stored into their respective cell. First cell is stored in A of 0, second is stored at A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, like that. It is going to store all the elements one by one up to A of 9, A of 0 cell. So my intention is, my first number is 6, 4, 8, 9, 12, 45, again 46, 67, 89, 67. See the elements. This is I value, I comma A of I. Once again look at this, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 34, 56, 67. Now see the elements, 6, 5, 7, 8 up to last number 0 to 9 elements. Just you place here, first percentage is placed by I value, that is A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4 up to A of 9. Second percentage D, that means on the RHS I have given one more percentage D. So that is percentage D, that is for printing the value stored at A of I cell. A of I cell, that is why I given first percentage D will be replaced by I value, second percentage is replaced by what? The element stored at ith location, A of ith location. Okay, so this is one methodology. And other methodology, so directly you can initialize some values. Directly you can initialize some values. So how to initialize the values? So to initialize the values, again use A of 5 equal to, within brackets you can write any value like 67, 87, 65, 45 and 23. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 value, 5 values are given. Along with this give I value also. Here no need of accepting anything here. Directly we can print the values. But here this time the condition must be 0 to 4. 5 while lists are there. Okay? Like this. Directly you can initialize them, you can print them. A of 0 equal to 67, A of 1 equal to 87, A of 2 equal to 65, A of 3 equal to 45, A of 4 equal to 23. So this is about single dimensional array, in which we have used what? A single loop, not nested loop. I will take one more program, float type numbers this time. Float salaries. $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. So this time I am printing float type numbers. So these are F percentage D. Here you place percentage F. Now look at the values. This is not A, and this is what? Salaries. Salaries of I. Okay. You take like this. Here I have given only 4 values now. Give one more value, that is 8,000. Okay. So I don't want to display those many decimal points. So to reduce decimal points, just you place what point or 0F. Or 0.1F. We are going to have only one decimal value because this is a floating time number. I have given what? Only one decimal point. Otherwise, what happens here? Many decimal values are displayed. 6 decimals. 6 decimals are displayed for any floating point number. So to reduce decimal number of decimals, just you write percentage 2F. Like 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 and 8,000 have come. This is about what? Printing 5 floating point numbers using a single dimensional array. Now next time I will develop one application where I am going to display, where I am going to take a 10 employee salaries. So 10 employee salaries, after taking 10 employee salaries, I want to print the maximum and minimum salaries of the employees. Okay? Max and min salaries. Max and min salaries of 10 employees. Okay, first let me write the application. After that I will explain on the board. You take float, or if you don't want any decimals, then simply you can take integers also. Integer salaries of 10 I comma what max comma min. CLR SCR. Take for I equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 9, I plus plus. within the loop, just you print a message. Printf, enter, %d, employee, salary. Scanf, %d, say ampersand, salaries of I. So after assigning the values, next you take salaries of, okay, max equal to what? Salaries of 0. I am considering the first element, the first employee salary is the highest salary, and at the same time I am considering the least salary also first employee salary. Okay. So why I have to take first employee salary and first max and minimum salary, I will explain. 0. Okay. So after assigning values as max and min, okay, what I am going to do means I am going to compare max salaries, min salaries with the subsequent cells of salaries array. Okay. Then how to compare? Just I am writing the program. For I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 9, I plus plus. Just you make a comparison. I will show the comparison. How to make the comparison? If sales of I is greater than max salary, then what happens here? Max salary becomes sales of I. Another condition, if sales of I is less than min equal to sales of I. Close this. Printf, the max paid employee is %d. Say this is what? Max. Printf, the minimum min paid employee is %d. Now just look at the program. So this part, this is going to take 10 employee salaries. So after taking 10 employee salaries, I am assigning sales of 0 as what? Max and min salaries. That means in the max and min salaries we have what? First employee salaries. First employee salary. So after assigning first employee salary as max and min, I am comparing the subsequent employee salaries with max and min. So if the subsequent employee salary is more than the maximum max salary, then the subsequent salary becomes max salary. And in the next comparison, if the subsequent employee salary is lesser than the previous min salary, then the subsequent employee salary becomes least salary. Okay, so like that, how many comparisons are made here? Already we have seen first employee salary as max and min. Next, 9 comparisons are made. Okay, so after that I am printing what? Max and min values. Max, the max paid employee and min paid employee. I did not assign I value. That is why it is coming a message. It is giving a message. Just to look at this: 7,000, 8,000, sorry, 3,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 5,000 again, 1,000, 15,000, and once again I am giving 8,000. See, max salary is 15,000, min salary is 1,000. Min salary is 1,000. Okay, how the comparisons are made, I will explain now. You replace I value. I value 0. This time 4,500, 6,000, 7,000, 4,000 again, 12,000, 11,000, 2,000, 1,000. And we give 2,000. 2,000 is already over now. 3,000, 3,000 and 4,000. This time we will give 9,000. Now 13,000. The highest salary is 13,000 and the least salary is 2,000. Okay. So like this I have executed a program for displaying max salary and minimum salary of 10 employees. Okay, just you have a look. Just I will show the procedure. I will show the logic on the board.